Hey everybody, it's Mike with the UTV Stereo. Just wanted to come to you real quick with a video showing an update to the 2020 Can-Am second battery kit. In 2020, Can-Am added these two wires to the positive terminal of the battery, and it's been causing a lot of confusion. These two wires basically have to be moved off of this terminal of the battery and relocated up here on the starter solenoid. So if you want to hang on a sec, I'll show you how it's done.
When I hear that song, I'll send it to you. Which one? It has to do with how many people watch. Oh. It reminds me of when you say oh, it's called Bad Listener. Bad Listener. It's like I'm not a bad listener.
As you can see, I've connected the wires for the factory fuse boxes up to the input side of the starter solenoid. That way they're fed constantly off of the stock battery. You do not want to hook them up to the output side of the starter solenoid because nothing will work at that point. And that's it. Thanks for watching.